I've always admired how KitchenAid blends power, style, and reliability into every mixer they make, and that's why this brand feels special to me. I trust KitchenAid for consistent results, long-lasting build quality, and tools that truly support home bakers and everyday cooks alike. Finding the best KitchenAid mixer for bread dough can feel overwhelming when every loaf depends on strong, steady mixing. The best KitchenAid mixer for bread dough is one with a powerful motor, solid metal build, and a bowl large enough for heavy, sticky doughs. I've kneaded everything from soft sandwich bread to dense whole wheat dough, and the right KitchenAid makes home baking feel easier and more reliable, especially for US kitchens, where bread baking is a weekly habit. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. KitchenAid 8-quart commercial countertop mixer. KitchenAid 8-quart commercial countertop mixer feels like a real workhorse. I noticed the strength right away when mixing thick bread dough. The bowl stays steady, even under heavy loads. The NSF certified use makes it great for home bakers who want commercial reliability. It feels built for long sessions. What stood out most is the high torque motor. It runs smooth and stays cool during long mixes. That gives peace of mind. The 8-quart bowl handles big batches with ease. On the downside, it is large and pricey. It needs space. But if you bake often and want pro-level power, this mixer delivers. Number 4. KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer. KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer feels like a step up for serious baking days. I used it when making large batches of bread, and it never felt strained. The bowl lift design feels steady and confident with heavy dough. The half-speed fold is a standout. It gently mixes delicate add-ins like berries without crushing them. That control really matters. I also love the double flex beater. It scrapes the bowl as it mixes, so nothing hides on the sides. Results feel smoother and more even. The 7-quart bowl is great for big families or meal prep. Cookies, bread, and mashed potatoes all fit with ease. That said, this mixer is big and heavy. It needs space, but if you bake often and in large amounts, this powerful mixer feels like a long-term kitchen partner. Number 3. KitchenAid Artisan Mini 3.5-quart tilt head stand mixer. KitchenAid Artisan Mini 3.5-quart tilt head stand mixer is perfect when space is tight. I tested it in a small kitchen and it fit easily without crowding the counter. The compact size build is the biggest win here. It feels light to move, yet solid when mixing. I also love the full power motor. Even with the smaller bowl, it handles cookie dough and light bread with no struggle. Mixing feels smooth and controlled. The tilt head design makes adding ingredients simple and mess-free. This mixer shines for small batches. It's great for couples or solo bakers. The limit shows with large bread dough. You may need 2 batches. Still, for daily baking and easy storage, this mini mixer feels strong, practical, and surprisingly capable. Number 2. KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt head stand mixer. KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt head stand mixer feels like a step up for everyday bakers. The soft almond cream color looks warm on a kitchen counter. What I noticed first was the pour shield design. It keeps flour in the bowl and off the counter. That alone saves cleanup time during busy baking days. The 5-quart handled bowl is another highlight. It feels balanced and easy to lift even when full. I can mix big cookie batches or bread dough with no stress. The motor feels smooth and steady, even at higher speeds. I like how simple the controls are. 10 speeds feel just right for most recipes. The only drawback is the tilt head space. You need room above it. Still, for home baking, this mixer feels reliable, friendly, and built for daily use. Number 1. KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5-quart tilt head stand mixer. The KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5-quart tilt head stand mixer feels like that one kitchen tool you keep for years. From the first mix, it feels solid and calm. The all-metal build gives real confidence when working with thick doughs or heavy batters. I love how steady it stays on the counter, even during longer mixes. The tilt head access makes adding flour or checking dough simple and mess-free. The 4.5 quart bowl is just right for daily baking. Cookies, pizza dough, and sandwich bread all come together evenly. The 10 speeds feel well-spaced and easy to control. This mixer shines for home bakers who value reliability over flashy extras. The only downside is the bowl size for very large batches. Still, for most kitchens, it's dependable, smooth, and built to last. Final verdict. If you want a reliable workhorse that feels right in most home kitchens, I personally recommend the KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5 quart tilt head stand mixer as the best overall product. It blends sturdy build quality with smooth performance for cookies, doughs, and everyday baking. It feels balanced, dependable, and easy to use. For a specific need, especially if you want a slightly larger capacity with gentle ingredient access, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt head mixer is a smart pick. It's great for bigger families, larger batches, or more frequent bakers who want flexibility without stepping into commercial territory. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the KitchenAid mixer that fits your style and need best.